So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how to love cleaning. So if you have been following me for a while, you know that I share a lot of cleaning videos and cleaning motivation, and you guys say you love that, you love how motivating those videos are. But one of the biggest questions that I always get is, how did I learn to enjoy cleaning? How did I learn to love cleaning? And so that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today, is my 5 top tips, and I even actually have a bonus one at the end. So I hope that after watching, you can go ahead and take the tips that I'm going to share with you today and put them into your own life and just kind of learn to enjoy cleaning a little bit more, and it will just make that chore a little bit more enjoyable, because having to do something every day that you hate is definitely, not what you want to do. So I hope that this can help you out a little bit, but let's go ahead and get on into the first tip. Okay, so my first tip is to find a personal motivation for it. I know that we need to get our house cleaned, and it's kind of just something that has to happen. And so that can definitely make it feel like it's a chore and like it's work. But if you have like a good personal motivation for it, it will just make it so much easier. And so what I mean from that is, if you find a benefit to cleaning, then you can go ahead and use that as your motivation. So like the benefits that I have found from cleaning are, I really feel like having a clean home and just having a clean space really brings peace into my house and peace into my family. And I really love that, because it just makes life way more enjoyable when we have a clean house and everyone is just in a happier mood. So that is probably my biggest motivator for keeping a clean house. And my other motivator for keeping a clean house is, me personally, I definitely feel more stressed and more anxious when our house is dirty. I feel more on edge and just not as calm. And so when our house is clean, I definitely feel more peaceful as well. So I just think that it makes a big difference, especially if you can find those benefits that actually benefit you and make you feel better, because then it's not like you're cleaning for someone else. You are definitely just kind of cleaning for yourself, and it makes it a lot more enjoyable. So the second tip that I have is actually to find good cleaning products that you get excited about, that you really enjoy. And that is probably the biggest reason why I started ordering through Grove Collaborative last year, because I wanted to try the different scents. Everyone was raving about them. And after trying them, I really feel like I was constantly just trying to clean more and more, because I was excited to smell those scents. I talk about this all the time in my cleaning videos, but the Caldre Sea Salt Neroli scent, hands down, best scent ever to me. And I know a lot of you guys have tried it and told me that you love it as well, but that is like my favorite scent ever. Mrs. Meyer's has a lot of really good ones. I love a lot of the Method scents as well, like the lime and sea salt Method scent. That one is so good. But there are so many different ones. You can really just kind of find something that makes you excited. And I feel like when you have something that you enjoy using, like a product you enjoy using, it makes it more enjoyable to clean. So a few of my personal favorites are, as I said, the Caldre Sea Salt Neroli, and also the E-Cloths even. Those are just amazing how well they work. Now, I do get most of my cleaners from the Grove Collaborative website, so I always have a link down below, and right now they have a really good deal going on. So if you order $20, you can get, I believe it's like a 5 or 6 piece set for free, or if you spend $39 on your first order, then you get that set plus a free cleaning caddy. So definitely check out that link if you are interested. And if you're not trying to go the Grove route, you can also find some of the products at Target, I know, and even Amazon sells some as well. So definitely check them out. But if you can find some good natural products that smell really good, I guarantee you will love cleaning a lot more. So my third tip is to watch something while you clean. My favorite thing to watch while I'm cleaning or right before I'm cleaning is cleaning videos. There are a ton all over YouTube. Everyone is doing cleaning videos anymore, it seems. And I will also link my playlist up here for you guys. I have a ton of cleaning videos. They vary from like doing any kind of chores in the house, and I am definitely adding more. I usually share about 1 cleaning video every week, but those really do amazing for just kind of like giving you the motivation when you were really lacking it. I know on Monday mornings, which is usually when I share my cleaning videos, because I feel like on Monday mornings for me, that is when I have the most to get done, and that is when I'm really struggling. I'm coming out of the weekend and I'm just like have no motivation to get anything done. So if you are struggling in motivation and trying to enjoy cleaning more, watch some cleaning videos and you can kind of see the transformation of the house go from dirty to clean really quickly, and then you should be good to go. So definitely try those if you have not checked those out yet. Okay, so my fourth tip is actually just to start simple. Don't feel like you have to just jump into cleaning and be so motivated and get everything done like crazy. Instead, just find one chore that really kind of motivates you to continue on. So for me, when I make my bed, I feel like that just feels so peaceful to me, having a nice clean bed. I love it. As you can see, it's always made, and it really just motivates me to continue on. So every morning when I wake up, I will make my bed, and then it kind of carries into my morning cleaning routine. Another thing that really helps me want to continue on cleaning is having a clean sink. Now, these chores might not do the same thing for you as they do to me, so you definitely have to find something that is specific to you that really kind of motivates you. But for me, making my bed in the morning and having a clean sink, once I have a clean sink, for example, it just makes me want to continue on in the kitchen and make the rest of the kitchen look as shiny and clean as the sink does. And then once my kitchen is looking good, I'm like, well, I might as well go into the living room and tidy that up. And when that's done, then I'm like, well, I might as well just do the floors, and so on and so forth. And it really just kind of is like a domino effect. It really just kind of makes me want to continue on. So that could be anything, whether it's like getting all of your clothes put away in your closet, or once you get your floors cleaned up, or you know, whatever. If you guys kind of understand what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below if you actually have noticed that you have a chore that kind of really motivates you to continue on cleaning, because I would love to know what that is. So my fifth tip is to take pride in keeping a clean home. I feel like anytime you do something very well, you definitely just feel that pride. And anytime you have pride in something, you want to continue on with it, and you just want to keep up with it because it makes you feel good inside. So I will pride myself on keeping a pretty clean home. We do have 3 boys at home and my husband, and also 2 pets. So really, guys, our home is definitely not immaculate. It is not clean all the time. But overall, our home is pretty picked up and it's pretty clean a lot of the time. So that makes me really happy. It makes me feel really like kind of proud that I'm able to maintain a pretty clean home. So if you can go into it with that mindset and just think, you know, I want to have pride in keeping a clean home, it will help you like want to keep a cleaner home and really enjoy it. Anytime you have pride in something, it just makes you feel good inside. And so if you have something that you can feel good about, you're definitely going to want to do it more. So I think that is definitely a good tip just to kind of keep in the back of your mind. So my bonus tip is to find a good oil diffuser and diffuse some oils. I don't know what it is. I think it's just that it makes the house smell so fresh depending on what kind of oils you use. But I diffuse our oils in our house every single day. I usually love to diffuse peppermint and lime for the summertime. In the fall, I'll do more cinnamon and clove and things like that, because that will be just more fall scented. But you can kind of cater your oils to like whatever season you're in or whatever kind of mood you're in. I also love diffusing basil in my bedroom, and in my sink I always am using like citrus oils. So you can really just use whatever kind of oils you want, but it really just uplifts your mood. And when your house smells good and it smells clean, I feel like that just gives you some extra energy, and it gives you that motivation to make your house look clean like it smells. So I did want to let you guys know I do have a coupon code for a new diffuser for you guys. You guys love when I shared that awesome code for my original diffuser that I have in my living room, but this is a new diffuser and I am loving it so far. The code is for 40% off, so I will leave that link in the description box below, and you can get this diffuser for under $15, I believe, which is insane. It is such a good deal because this is such a high quality diffuser. And a lot of you also ask me where I get my oils from. You can find oils anywhere. You can get doTERRA or Young Living. You can find them on Amazon. I think even Grove has some as well. I do personally love getting mine from Simply Earth because they have been the highest quality oil for the most affordable price, which is like, you know, right up my alley. I love getting good deals on things, but that is where I always get my oil. So as usual, I will also have that linked down below as well. So definitely check them out. They do have recipe boxes where you can get like a subscription from them every month, which is also a great deal. But if you just want to try a few oils, you can definitely get them individually as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you can take some of those tips that I shared with you today and just kind of take it and make it a part of your daily life, and just learn to enjoy cleaning a bit more, because if you don't enjoy it, it can definitely be something that kind of hangs over your head, and it's so much nicer if you can learn some different ways to enjoy it. Let me know if you would like to see more tip videos like this for cleaning. because I feel like I really get so many questions about cleaning, and I definitely have some tips that I could share with you guys. I do like to incorporate a lot of my tips into my cleaning videos, but I can also definitely do videos like this where it's more, you know, upfront about here's another tip and here's another tip and different ways to do things surrounding cleaning. So let me know if that's something you're interested in, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.